Sounds like it's to me. Look, everyone, it's
nice here. I admit. But we need to go home.
We can have a whole new life here, Woody. A chance to make kids happy again.
Why don't you stay? Yeah, Woody, stay with us.
Come on, what's this?
No,
You can make a new
guys,
kid
really?
happy.
no.
I have
Have
a kid.
You have a kid.
And
Cars Germinus 2008.
And if he wants us at college or in the attic, well, then our job is to be there for him. No, I'm going home. Anyone who wants to join me is welcome. Come on, Buzz.
Come on, Chuck. Chuck? Chuck?
Buzz? Our mission with
Cars
Anderson,
Germinus 2008. Lightning.
What?
and what's important now is we stay together.
We wouldn't even be together
No.
if it weren't for
Cars
Andy.
Germinus 2008.
Look under your boot, Buzz.
You're
Too, Jesse, whose name is written
you
there?
there? Cars Germinus 2008.
Andy doesn't care about us anymore.
Of course
Yes,
he
he
does.
does.
He
He
cares
cares about
all of you. He was putting you in the attic. I saw you can't just turn your back on him now.
Woody,
Wake up!
it's over.
Cars Germinus 2008.
All grown up.
Yeah. Misty's right. Misty is right. Yes, listen to her. You know what?
Okay, fine. Perfect. I can't believe how selfish you all are.
Oh?
So this is it?
This is it?
After all we've been through.
Excuse me, sorry, I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. Sorry, I'm very sorry.
Bullseye.
My car.
You need to stay. Bullseye.
My
No,
car.
I said stay. Look, I don't want you left alone in the attic, okay? Now stay.
Bonnie?
Meryl? Meryl!
I gotta go.
I gotta go.
Bonnie?
Meryl? Where are you? Meryl, where are you?
You in here?
Oh, he left